started in architectural practice in 1993 when I first became professionally qualified. In 1999 I decided I wanted to start my own practice on the learnings and the great experience I had from my commercial experience, and from that point I evolved the business into Vida Architecture in 2010. At Vida, we particularly specialise in working in the commercial residential sector, both in the student residential market and also homes for sale, working for property developers and investors, obtaining high value planning consents for housing type development. Here we are on site on phase 2 of the Well Meadow project. Originally this construction was going to be an apartment block. At the time it was determined that construction cost was too great to make it viable to build. So we had a challenge to try and get the same number of bed density to generate revenue for the client out of a different type of built form. And after some detailed consideration, we ended up with what's known as a townhouse model. And we've managed to create 28 bedrooms built in 2 phases, 14 bedrooms per phase. This phase is all about working with the contractor and the team of guys here on site to help them through to deliver the quality of product. Very hands-on, getting into the detail, working with the guys, making sure we're on progress, and most importantly making sure that any issues are dealt with at the time so that we have a smooth transition to the end of the project. Some of the unique features on this development are that we are designing this to Code for Sustainable Homes Level 3, which is around about creating sustainable development, making sure that the whole development is a safe place in which to live. The building also benefits from installations such as whole house ventilation, which provides constantly fresh air to the development. It also has good environmental credentials, and we've integrated systems such as photovoltaic panels onto the roof, which is also generating electricity. This site in actual fact is in the heart of a conservation area with listed buildings adjacent to it. So we had to look at creating a modern design that had a high degree of empathy with its neighbouring buildings. Working closely with the authority, we've come up with a design which we feel really maximises the opportunities for our client and works and makes a positive contribution to the conservation area in years to come.